Every great visual begins with an idea. A single sketch, a single frame, a single click of the camera. And before you realize it, the idea becomes a story. Hello everyone, I am Jayant Rathee, Assistant Professor at Bharati Vidyapeeth's Institute of Computer Applications and Management, better known as BVICAM, New Delhi. As a constituent institution of Bharati Vidyapeeth, Pune, we are part of an educational legacy spanning more than 6 decades. With 187 institutions across India committed to nurturing creativity, innovation, and professional excellence, I am proud to be part of this remarkable journey. Before stepping into academics, I had the opportunity to work as a video producer with organizations like Viva Publications and Isoles group, where I transformed concepts into engaging visual content for educational, corporate, and digital platforms. Working behind the camera taught me that every successful production begins long before the recording starts. It begins with planning, creativity, attention to detail, and passion to communicate ideas visually. Those professional experiences shaped the way I teach today. My core subjects include animation, audio-video editing, photography, video production, graphic and design, visual communication, helping them develop both creative thinking and industry-ready technical skills. My classroom is built on one simple belief: the best way to learn creative media is by creating. From designing graphics and producing videos to capturing powerful photographs, students don't just understand the software, they understand the storytelling behind every visual. Beyond regular teaching, I encourage students to experiment, collaborate, and build projects that reflect their imagination while preparing them for the rapidly evolving media and creative industry. For me, the greatest reward isn't a perfectly edited video or a beautifully designed graphic. It's watching students gain confidence, thinking differently, and discover their own creative voice. Because trends will change, technology will evolve, but imagination, innovation, and purposeful design will remain timeless. I invite you to join us at BVICAM, where creativity meets technology, ideas become experience, and learning transforms into real-world skill. Let's create something extraordinary together. Thanks.